Welcome, welcome, welcome. Greetings from Professor of Happiness. We are all very fortunate to be born in a country which has everything in abundance. Resources like light, resources like people, resources like land, resources like money, resources like minerals. We have everything in abundance. And still we feel that we are a poor country. So I strongly believe that this is nothing to do with the country, but this is to do something with me and myself, and you and yourself. Believe me that we need to understand that we want to be in the 5% of the people, or we want to be part of that 95% of the people. 5% of the people are financially independent people, and 95% of the people are those people who still at the age of 65 will continue to work for their living. So I want you to be into that category where you become financially independent as soon as possible. So the question here is, do we have something which will enable you to succeed? Do we have some success mantra which is going to help you open up? Do we have a key which will unlock your potential? And I feel that there is something with us which will help you, give you a direction in your life, and that will help you channelize your energy so that you can be amongst that 5% of the people who will be totally financially independent. People need to utilize their energy in learning and creating new knowledge, new avenues, so that they are happy at the end of the day. But unfortunately, we spend most of the time in comparing and competing with people, which leads us to nothing. If there was a key to success, believe me, that was only one key, and that is all about goal setting. My question to you is, do you have a goal in place? If you do not have a goal in place, you can be doing everything, but you will not be reaching your destination. And a simple example I will give you, that you are sailing in a ship and you know that there is a captain who is going to take this ship to that particular destination. But unfortunately, if you think, or if it happens that the captain doesn't know which destination to take, the ship will be wandering into the sea, or probably it will reach somewhere, but probably it could reach a beach which can be a deserted beach. So life is all about reaching to our destination, establishing our destinations, and be very specific in setting our goals. So let us start setting our goals, and let us start establishing a very clear-cut strategy for 30 days, which will help you discover yourself and then put things in place so that you grow in life. So I look forward to see you in my next video, and I'm sure that you are going to be part of the journey. All the best.